Now, to say how are you in Arabic, I have to start with the word how. How means كيف. كيف. Now, to say how are you, I have to add the suffix ak to the word كيف. It becomes kīfek. Kīfek. If I am addressing a male. If I am addressing a female, I have to add the suffix ek. It becomes kīfek. Kīfek. Now, I have many responses when someone says to me kīfak or kīfek for a female. I could start with the word tamam. Tamam. It means good. Or I could start with the word منيح. منيح. Pay attention to the letter ha at the end. منيح. It's the throat letter. So you could respond by tamam, I'm good, or منيح, I'm good as well, or by saying ماشي الحال. ماشي الحال. It means I am alright. Literally, ماشي means I am walking, and الحال state. So my state is walking means I am alright in Arabic. If you said ماشي الحال, it means you are alright. So I could respond in 3 ways when someone say how are you, kīfak. I could say tamam. I could say منيح. I could say ماشي الحال.